Bulgaria, a land of timeless beauty and legacy. But its grid faces growing strains. Energy transition is no longer an option, but a must. This time, the REPT BATTERO team, together with SolarHome and BESS Bulgaria, head straight to the front line of energy storage applications, witnessing how our technology empowers industries to run cleaner, smarter, and more reliably.
We are helping this customer to reduce the reactive power cost almost to zero. Battery containers of REPT are working efficiently since 2 years around the clock without any problem, so they can guarantee stable feed to the factory machines that are supplied to the warehouses at the time where needed. So this is a huge savings, and therefore the rent is reduced, of course, for them. We decided to use a 5 megawatt tower container provided by REPT. We can ensure a smooth integration of the system throughout all these factories. Together with this system, energy storage system for REPT and BESS Bulgaria, and it's delivering clean, renewable energy for the city. This energy storage cabinet is guaranteeing the hotel power supply for the hours that there is no sun and during the night. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's raining, we have to adapt. But thanks to this battery, they always have electricity.
This is the story we write here, real projects, rooted in action. Special thanks to SolarHome and BESS Bulgaria for providing excellent energy management services. For REPT, energy storage is far more than batteries and systems. We're determined to keep the lights on, the machines running, and the beauty of places like this uninterrupted. REPT Energy, driving a sustainable future.